Okay, we will solve this one. One number is 3 less than another number. If the sum is 49, find the two numbers. Okay, so we will let x be the first number. Okay, then the uh, x minus 3. X minus 3 kasi one number is 3 less than another number. Be the second number. Okay, so gawan natin ng equation ito. So equation natin is x plus. Bakit siya plus? Kasi kunin natin yung sum nila na 49, di ba? So x plus the quantity of x minus 3, first number and the second number, ang sum nila ay 49. Okay, ngayon, tuloy natin. So x plus, alisin natin yung quantity dyan. So x minus 3 equals 49. And then we will combine like terms. Si x plus x is 2x minus 3 equals 49. Okay? Then, i-transpose natin si negative 3 papunta dito sa right side. So, 2x, kopyahin natin si 49 kasi hindi siya na-change, hindi siya na-transpose kasi nasa right side siya. So, si negative 3, transpose natin yan. So, from negative 3, magiging positive 3. Okay? Then, 2x equals, i-add natin yan. So, this is 52. Tapos dito, divide natin both sides by 2. Kung ano yung coefficient ni x, i-divide natin yan. Okay? So, since 2 yung coefficient niya, so, i-divide natin both sides by 2. Okay? So, x, kita pa? Okay, kita pa. Equals, cancel natin yung 2. Naiwan na lang x, di ba? So, 52 divided by 2. So, this is 26. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung first number. First number. Okay? Yung second number, close natin ha. Second number na x minus 3. Okay? This is 26. I-substitute natin si x. So, this is 26 minus 3. Okay? This is equal to 23. So, yung sum ng dalawang number, okay, is 49. Tingnan natin kung 49 ba yan. So, yung first number is 26 plus the second number na 23. So, this is equal to 49.